Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok if you cannot post. If you're unable to post on TikTok, if you can try the following troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. First, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue still persists. You could also try updating your TikTok. Go to the Play Store and in the top there's a search bar. Tap on that and type down TikTok and open it, and make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. Go to the App Store for the iOS or the Google Play Store for the Android and check for the updates. Or you could also try clearing your cache. What you have to do is go back, press the TikTok app like this, go to the app information, select the storage and cache, and in the bottom there's a clear cache option. Tap on that. And this can sometimes help fix any issues also. Or you could try uninstalling the TikTok app. If none of the above steps work, simply uninstall it from the Play Store and reinstall back again, and this can help fix any corrupted files or the settings causing the issue as well. And if the issue still persists, you may need to contact TikTok support for further assistance. Provide them with the details about the issue you're experiencing and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and post TikTok again. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.